So I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro for a while now, and that's why I want to talk about the question, was it actually the best decision to buy the iPhone 14 Pro, or should you buy the next iPhone? Especially for someone like me who used the iPhone a lot for client communication and social media, this phone needs to be a great tool to support my productivity. And my previous phone was the iPhone 10, and I actually noticed that I needed an upgrade. So yeah, the iPhone 14 Pro was actually a perfect option in that time because it simply combined everything that I need on a daily basis. And first, let's talk about the design and size of the iPhone. Basically, the iPhone 14 Pro's design is sleek, elegant and ergonomic. Its premium materials and seamless construction gives a professional look that is perfect for everyday tasks. Not only does it look and feel great, but the compact size makes it easy to handle and carry, ensuring it never becomes a burden during your busy work days. I definitely need to say that I personally don't really like the Max versions because they are too big in my opinion, but the Pro is absolutely fine. I also combined it with a premium walnut case that fits my whole walnut setup as well, and on top it protects my iPhone so I can use it for a long period of time. I actually don't upgrade my phone that often, so I definitely want to protect it. But on top, what I also really like is that even though it is a way bigger phone, it still feels like a little bit like the iPhone 4 shape because of the case. And the overall iPhone 4 design and shape is still my favorite, so having a case like this one here is just perfect. And of course, what I also need to mention is that the Pro's display is absolutely fantastic as well. Basically, you get vibrant colors and stunning clarity, so if you want to use your phone to check documents, edit high resolution images, or simply watch some videos, the iPhone 14 Pro's display simply won't let you down. And since I already mentioned images, let's talk about the camera really quickly. For content creators and professionals who need to capture high quality images on the go, the iPhone 14 Pro is a perfect choice. Its advanced camera system lets you capture stunning photos and videos, and the ability to shoot raw images takes the creativity to the next level because it provides a lot of flexibility in the post-production, which is super helpful. Of course, I mostly use my Canon cameras for most of my content productions, but I always use my phone for some quick on-the-go content, so having a reliable phone to get things done is a must-have. And especially in these days, social media content plays a significant role in promoting businesses and personal brandings, so yeah, especially in this case, the iPhone 14 Pro's camera system and advanced editing capabilities makes it a perfect device for capturing and sharing stunning content across social media platforms. Another thing that we definitely need to talk about is the battery, and yeah, productivity doesn't wait for a battery recharge. And the iPhone 14 Pro comes with great battery life. You can easily get your tasks done without worrying about running out of power for a long period of time. However, I always recommend to invest in a MagSafe battery pack to have a backup for your everyday tasks. Especially the one from Apple is awesome, however, there are a variety of other options out there, so just pick the one that you like the most. I currently have two, the one from Apple and another cheaper basic power bank that I can use if I definitely need to charge my phone multiple times a day. But yeah, one of the biggest advantages of the iPhone is of course its seamless integration with other Apple devices. My iPhone simply synchronizes with my Mac and my Apple Watch, and that allows me to start a task on one device and I can simply continue it on another device. Basically, the Apple ecosystem ensures that I can stay organized and connected, and that makes it way easier for me to be productive. So yeah, at the end of the day, the iPhone 14 Pro's productivity focused features are absolutely great to get things done. But yeah, all in all, the iPhone 14 Pro is still in my opinion a perfect match for productivity. With its stunning design, the powerful display, great camera system and its seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem, it's a productivity powerhouse that can support your everyday life. Whether you're capturing visuals for your business, managing your schedules across devices or editing raw images for your creative projects, the iPhone 14 Pro is the ultimate tool to stay productive. But to wrap it up here really quickly, I think that the iPhone 14 Pro is absolutely worth it, especially if you still have an older phone at home. Of course, if you actually want to have the newest phone, you can easily wait for the upcoming iPhone, but I actually noticed the jump from the iPhone 10 to the iPhone 14 Pro, so I'm really happy that I've bought it. So, thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're new, don't forget to smash that subscribe button to stay updated for upcoming videos, and I'll see you in the next video.